We have a research and data arm, Intelpoint. It's a subsidiary of TechPoint, and they've been doing an amazing job over the years. Intelligence data about what's going on in the tech space in Africa. They've gathered data from all the 36 states and FCT in Nigeria. I'm like, okay, why don't you just gather people in the industry together to celebrate this report and also create that awareness.
I have a feeling it's going to be a good evening because we already have a couple of people around from the fintech ecosystem, and it's an opportunity to share, have conversations, around happenings in the ecosystem and how we can move it forward.
A nice event. I had fun. We partner as well. We actually was responsible for the meal. So we had a lot of gist, drinking, talking, networking. Actually amazing.
The event, I think it was a success. Very well organized. Lots to eat and drink. And of course a barcode for us to scan and read about the reports, which was very, very enlightening as well. Thank you so much for organizing this event.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying this vibe. Like people are so energetic, so friendly. Yeah, so thank you for organizing this event.